welcome to Keith in Japan. We're in Odawara now, walking towards the beach for a mini Hanabi. I'm here with Ryo.
Hi there.
And a group of other friends to have a little campfire barbecue and hopefully some nice fireworks in a bit.
Dang, these are fast.
Yes.
お父さん手気をつけて。
大丈夫じゃないね。
あれ取れるよ。So. わあ。熱い。Good movie.
Star. What are you doing, Keith?
I'm gonna do that. Diamond.
Write my name, write my name.
Diamond.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ.
What British sign though?
What's the saying? The power of Christ compels you. The power of Christ compels you.
What do you...
Fun.
いやー、花火楽しかった。
Fireworks cycle!
Marshmallows, not roasted yet, but they are gonna be. And this plus hold up. And this country mom marshmallows. Try it sometime. Freaking good, super good.
Awesome.
花火最高。Yeah.
Yeah.
What are you doing? I'll be right back in London. See you soon.
はい。楽しかった。だから最高。
ありがとう。お茶でした。
Okay.